So, hello everyone. Today we'll discuss a little bit of orthodontics. And this I have taken from the Dental Pulse synopsis. In the first page of Dental Pulse synopsis of orthodontics, you'll find the name of some of the scientists in orthodontics. Okay? And their contribution to the field of orthodontics. ठीक है, तो हम ये सब के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. We will study about the scientists and their contribution. Okay, this is must knowing topic. ये आपको जानना ही है. It must be at the tips of your tongue. Fine, let's see the next. So father of orthodontics कौन है? एडवर्ड एच एंगल. ठीक है. क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ मैलोक्लूशन किसने दिया है? एडवर्ड एच एंगल. रिबन आर्च अप्लायंस किसने दिया है? एडवर्ड एच एंगल. एजवाइस अप्लायंस किसने दिया है? एडवर्ड एच एंगल. ई आर्च अप्लायंस किसने दिया है? एडवर्ड एच एंगल. पिन एंड ट्यूब अप्लायंस किसने दिया है? एडवर्ड एच एंगल. इसको कैसे आप याद रखेंगे? आर ई ई पी आई टी. ठीक है. रिपीट से क्या याद रहेगा? लेट मी चेंज माय कलर. व्हाट कलर विल सूट विद ब्लू? येलो. लेट्स ट्राई. R is ribbon arch. ठीक है. Then E is edgewise. Then E for E arch, and P for PIT for pin and tube. ठीक है. तो you have to remember this. Repeat for Edward H angle और बाकी ये दोनों आपको this you have to learn by yourself. Father of orthodontics Edward H angle and classification of malocclusion was given by Edward H Engel. तो देखो malocclusion कैसे, how you will remember classification of malocclusion. देखो occlusion, malocclusion, orthodontics does not start unless and until we talk about malocclusion. Okay, the malocclusion is the number one thing which we talk about in orthodontics. So number one is A. तो एंगल से malocclusion आएगा. You can remember it like that. Fine. Now acid etch technique आपने composite में पढ़ा होगा. You must have learned in composite 37% phosphoric acid देके जो करते हैं phosphoric acid. So it was given by Bunocore. You have to remember that. Straight wire appliance is given by Andrews. Andrews is the name of a male person. तो how to remember? देखो एक होता है straight, एक होता है gay, एक होता है I don't know. तो straight, Andrew is a straight guy. ठीक है. He is not a gay. You can remember. Little awkward way to remember, but anyway, MDX के लिए कुछ भी करेगा. एक मूवी निकला था लव के लिए कुछ भी करेगा. So our condition is MDX के लिए कुछ भी करेगा. तो Andrews is a straight guy and he is not a gay. तो you can remember it like that. Activator, A for activator, A for Anderson. ये याद रख सकते हो ऐसे. ठीक है. Now division in angles, class 1 and 3 malocclusion was given by Dewey. D for division and D for Dewey. ठीक है. You can remember like that. फिर substitution of class 1, 2 and 3 of angle classification with term neutro-occlusion किसने दिया है? Disto-occlusion and mesio-occlusion. These were given by Lisher. NDM, MDN. कैसे याद देखोगे यार? MDNL कुछ भी तरीके से आप याद रखो. आई डोंट नो. लिशर याद रखना है. न्यूट्रो occlusion, mesio occlusion and disto occlusion. If you see all the three letters N, M and D, all the three are not there in leisure. So you can remember it like that. Fine. Now some more classical removable appliance with acrylic plate and labial bow. Howley's appliance जिसको बोलते हैं हम ना. If you are final year and have not done your practicals yet, so you must be you should know that there is a something called Howley appliance. Howley appliance में क्या होता है? एक आपका labial bow होता है. Labial bow, there is a labial bow. Then there is a Adams clasp or acrylic plate. I'll show you the pictures later after I finish with this. Acrylic plate होता है, ठीक है. This is a Howley appliance. twin block appliance यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं दिया है. Twin block was given by Clark, so I'm not interested here. Clark, twin block was given by Clark. ये याद रखना. Visual treatment objective was given by Ricketts, ठीक है. ये याद रखना है. Beta hypothesis to break oral habits was given by Dunlop. Split plate for maxillary split plate, and it was given by Schwartz. As for as chin cap is given by Oppenheim. So how to remember? Abhi India China. Now India China tension is going on. Tension is going on. Still these people, Chinese people, Chini people, are enjoying themselves by how? Going to the opera. So chin cap, Oppenheim, ठीक है. We'll remember like that. Term orthodontics. Who was given the term orthodontics? It was given by Lee Fowler. Now, cephalometric analysis was given by Tweed. You have to remember. Classification of anchorage preparation, Tweed. Serial extraction procedure, Tweed. Or mandibular incisor school of retention was given by Tweed. Now let's see the images. This is Sir Edward H. Engel, ठीक है. इनका फोटो याद करना है. इवेंट फॉर योर यूनिवर्सिटी एंड नीट MDS, ठीक है. एंड दिस इज एसिड एज टेक्निक. 37% phosphoric acid for 30 seconds, और it was given by Buno for, ठीक है. Next, this is an activator. Activator was given by Anderson, and this is also known as Norwegian appliance, ठीक है. This is a straight wire appliance. You have to remember this. Fine. Next, this is a twin block. Now I'll talk about detail of twin block in the next slide. This is a chin cup, ठीक है. So twin block, the removable, the twin block is a removable. याद रखो यहाँ पे I am writing the point. Twin block is a removable appliance, ठीक है. It is a tooth-borne functional appliance. It is tooth-borne functional appliance that is worn full time. पहना जाता है. It helps in advancement of mandible advancement, ठीक है. It is a two-piece appliance composed of an upper and lower. तो देख सकते हो upper lower two piece. That's why it is known as twin block. Twin मतलब क्या है? दो, two, ठीक है. Twin block. Orthopedic traction can be added in case of severe skeletal discrepancies. Orthopedic traction you can add. This includes the use of a Concord face bow. Sometimes we use a face bow or a headgear at night time if severe skeletal discrepancies are there, ठीक है. And this is very important. 70°. Upper and lower जो bite block है, these are inclined at an angle of 70°. This is most important thing to be known from here. 70°, 70°, 70°, 70°. कुछ याद रहे ना रहे. एक गाना है ना, मैं रहूं ना रहूं मेरी आवाज तुम्हें याद रहेगी. तो कुछ याद रहे ना रहे. 70°, here 70°. जहां लिखना है लिख लो. 70° याद रखना ही है. फाइन. Then this is Howley appliance. You can see this is the labial bow and Adam clasp hota hai isme. This is the Adams clasp and this is the acrylic plate. Fine. Now beta hypothesis क्या है? This theory holds that in practicing beta hypothesis किसने दिया था? For आपका हैबिट रोकने के लिए by Dunlop. ठीक है, beta hypothesis was given by Dunlop. So what does beta hypothesis says? This theory holds that in practicing bad habit with the intent to stop it, if one learns not to perform that undesirable, however, the child must know that the intention in having him practicing the habit is to break him of the habit. तो क्या करते हैं एक बच्चे को if he is doing the thumb sucking, he is allowed to do more of thumb sucking by seeing himself. उसको खुद को देखना है कि वो thumb sucking कर रहा है और ये बिलीव करते हैं बीटा hypothesis कि when the child keeps on watching himself doing this notorious activity, he himself will give it up. Furthermore, the child is not allowed to fall into daydreaming or derive satisfaction from purposeful repetition of the habit. We should not be allowed to derive satisfaction from the habit. This is practiced only in older children in whom cooperation can be obtained. तो जो बच्चे में cooperation can be obtained, then only we can do this beta Dunlop hypothesis. ठीक है, this is Schwarz appliance और split appliance. Split acrylic plate appliance. तो यहाँ पे क्या होता है देखो, this acrylic plate is split into two parts. Here a screw is fit. ठीक है, तो ये split इसको Schwarz appliance भी बोला जाता है. देखो यहाँ पे acrylic is not covering the incisal edge or the occlusal part of the teeth. Fine. Now this is ribbon arch appliance. This was the first ribbon arch was given by देखो एडवर्ड एच एंगल. हमको क्या याद रखना था? रिपीट, REEPIT, रिबन arch edgewise, then E arch and pin and tube, then father of orthodontics and the term malocclusion. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे ribbon arch, let's talk about ribbon arch a little bit. It was the first appliance to use as a true bracket. It was the first appliance to be used. Provide vertical rectangular slot. तो slot जो होता है vertical rectangular slot होता है. Vertical rectangular will be like this. Gold ribbon 10x20 archware was used. तो ये याद रखना है. gold ribbon यहाँ पे लिख दो. यहाँ पे gold ribbon was used. It had good spring qualities, efficient alignment, but root positioning was very poor due to high resiliency of wire. The root positioning was poor and it has poor control of mesiodistal tip. Mesiodistal जो tipping होता है उसका poor control था. Fine. So this is all for this class. I hope you like the class. And if you have liked the class, please do give a like and share and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thank you so much.